Okay, as today, I had to do. Oh, he knows it. Hello. Hey, little buddy. Ah, easy. I know this, yeah. Oh, did you just take a dookie? Did you really take a dookie? Okay. Okay. Hey guys. So you saw the dog, and tell me what you think about it. And I got these new shoes and these pants. And also I got this new shirt. So hey, so whoever plays Fortnite, if you want add me, I have headphones at the top. My username is M.rain 911. So capital M. I play on Nintendo. And then RAIN with no capitals, just little baby words. So yeah. Yeah. But guys, I don't think I'm gonna be posting that much in a long time or something because I really don't come to my grandpa's house that much. So yeah.